So hi there, fellow Trekkies, and it's two almost 2:40 a.m. I just got back from work. Today, when I was going to the office around 3 p.m., I noticed that there was a package, with my name on it at the front door lobby of my apartment building. So apparently, the post office over here stopped delivering it directly to your apartment. I don't know. These buggers are pretty lazy. Anyway, so I had ordered this on the first of this month. Today is the 19th. Um, and this is another package from Cardiff, Wales, bought by eBay from the same seller as a couple of others that I bought very recently. So this will be ship number 22 for me in my collection. And I was initially going to buy this much earlier in my in my list of orders that I bought from the Eagle Moss collection, but because there are two ships that are pretty similar, and actually there are three, but since this one is very similar in design as another ship, I thought I would wait a little while before I buy this. But I noticed that this has been running out in many cases. I think it's pretty early on in the series. So I looked in several sellers that I've noticed before. Their stocks have been dying out. Some of them don't have this anymore. And this particular one that I bought from the seller is actually less than a lot of them. So I thought, yeah, why not? Before they run off, let me just buy this. Okay. So yeah, once again from the same seller in Cardiff, Wales. We've sorted out the earlier problems, so I'm pretty happy with this particular person that I'm dealing with. So this is the USS Honshu, which is the Nebula class. Now, obviously, if you are a Trekkie, you would already know that from TNG, this is pretty similar to the design of the USS Enterprise D, right? So it's basically the saucer section is the same as the Enterprise D. The only difference is shorter nacelles that are directly tucked in under the saucer section, and you have this pod part over here. So let's remove it from its casing over here. I'm not that tired, even though it's coming up to 2:43 a.m. So here's our ship, the Nebula class. Pretty cool looking design. So no magazine along with this one. That's probably another reason why he's shipping it at a lower price. But yeah, no complaints. Again, the magazine is only icing on the cake. What I really want is, of course, the actual ship itself. So, I think I did it the wrong way around. Let me just put this back in the box. And it will be time to do another update of my collection. I've got, so this makes it number 22. Okay. I think this part is mostly metal. The saucer section is metal. This is plastic. The nacelles are plastics. Pretty awesome design. I pretty much like it. Ooh, the metal part is pretty cool to the touch, and at this time of night, being pretty cool. I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, this design is basically like that. So you see that the lower hull over here is actually, that section is touching the saucer section. Otherwise, it's pretty fine. Maybe a slight tilt to the nacelle over here. It's cool. So there it is, the USS Honshu, the Nebula class from Star Trek Starship Collection. I will have her on the stand, and on the red metal chair pretty soon, when we have a closer look, and I'll have some details on this particular model, the Nebula class. So thanks guys, good night. It's getting pretty late and I need to get a sleep. So take care, bye.